Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, February 2nd. I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So I still think this is the end of a correction right here. Maybe it's a wave four, maybe it's not, or maybe it's just a subdivision of a big uptrend. Either way, I still think this move up is a one. I think this move down is a two. I think we're already in a wave three. If this really is a wave three, I think we have a long ways to go to the upside potentially maybe to the $2,500 area, maybe even higher than that. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this little 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we got right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a 1. I think this is an ABC of 2. I believe we're already in a wave 3, and this is just like a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, and we're going to keep on going up for a wave 3 of wave 3. This is just a subdivision of the wave 3. 1 of 3, 2 of 3, and eventually 3 of 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I've been debating back and forth quite a bit for the last few weeks on gold, mostly because it's just been so sideways. Gold has been sideways since pretty much the beginning of December. But to me, it definitely looks like three ways down right here. So I mean, this could just keep on trending up pretty easily. But it looks still, I'm still kind of sticking to that WXY outlook because it looks like three ways down, looks like three ways up. It kind of looks to me like that's going to lead to another three-way pattern to the downside for WXY before it actually does continue the uptrend. But the trend is definitely up on the weekly and the monthly. So I mean, I'm definitely looking at this wave C as possibly the continuation of the uptrend also. So going down to the 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci extension on this last wave here, which I'm calling a wave A, but it could be a wave 1. This is now what I'm calling a big ABC correction, either a wave B or maybe a wave 2. Now we're either in a wave 3 or a wave C right now. And if it's a wave C, then potentially it would go up and bounce off one of these fibs, give us a big break of structure, and then continue the downtrend. If it's a wave 3, then it will bounce off Fibonacci levels, but it'll keep on making higher highs, higher lows, and it should just keep on trending up. So either scenario, I'm definitely looking for longs in an uptrend still. Now we do have non-farm payroll coming out today, which is a very big news event for the dollar. I'm definitely kind of curious to see what that does. Some of the dollar pairs look like they've already turned, and I kind of hope that today's news does confirm the turn on those dollar pairs because if this really is, a wave three, then we definitely are going to be looking for longs in an uptrend probably for the next several weeks, maybe even the next several months, and it'd be a really good time to build a large position to the upside. But we don't really know for sure if that's the case yet. I mean, if this actually goes up and respects this 50% and then goes down and breaks structure, I would actually stop looking for longs at that point and start looking for shorts again. But right now, I am definitely looking for longs. I actually thought this move down was going to be much bigger, but then it made three waves down, 1, 2, 3 waves down, and positive up, made a higher low. It definitely could do something like that again. Three waves down and positive up, higher low, and just keep on trending up, which is why I am definitely still looking for longs in an uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.